What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in on the weekend to pop at you guys. Drop some nuggets on you all so that you can kind of have a game plan of your own as we prepare for this upcoming week. Do me a favor, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I wanted to share this one with you guys from the family. She says, "Good morning, Chris. I missed the call options on multiple plays this morning due to a business phone call." How many of you guys sometimes get busy, get tied up with work, meetings, or what have you? Waited for the second half of the trading day, bought SPY puts, and wrote it down for 100% gain. Patience was key today. Not only is patience key today, it's key every day. Matter of fact, it's one of the hallmarks to success as a trader, okay? Listen, guys, one, major salute, Phyllis, for a job well done. But number two, guys, listen, when you can begin to understand the importance of developing a high level of patience, okay? Meaning you're waiting for your right entry. You're waiting for the right setup. You are allowing trades and developments to run its course before you jump in. Guys, it's a game changer on your journey, especially when you're new or in the earlier phases and stages of your trading, okay? Listen, guys, again, I often say this game is a marathon. This is not a sprint. This is not a get rich quick thing. This is scientific. This is technical. This is something that can change your life because you have a skill set and a set of tools that you can now use on a consistent basis to do, like in this particular case, guys, this was 104% play or $1,000 on the day, okay? And so it's just nice to see execution at such a high level, okay? And this is something that you all can do, guys. This was just simply knocking SPY out the park. Like I tell you guys, the market has two go-to moves, okay? They can do a variety of things, but they have two go-to moves. And when you learn that and you have patience, there's nothing they can do. As I often say, first half of the morning, okay, I call it early morning. Sometimes it's an early morning drop. That means it's going to come back later on in the day. Sometimes there's an early morning pop. That simply means it's going to come down later on in the day. When you can embrace that, yes, it might be a little more complex than that, but I want to keep it simplified so that you can kind of say, okay, I missed the run up. Let me catch it on the way back down. Okay, I missed the ride down. Let me get in position to take the ride back up. Guys, this is changing your life, okay? Now, listen, today I'm going to talk to you about 3 stocks that I want you guys to consider. When you see any selling pressure, that means the stock is going down in price. When you see the market as a whole have a bad day, I want these 3 on your radar, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at my 3 plays I have for you guys today. I want you guys to consider these as you prepare to buy the dip, okay? Around here we go shopping. Now, all 3 of these plays, I'm kicking it off with Palantir, okay, guys? But all 3 of these plays are great call options if you want to make more money faster, okay? Now, as far as investments, they're quality companies. You guys know I'm going to always bring quality to the table. So you do your DD, you choose between these 3 which ones you want to hold. But all 3, if it's just something you want to make a substantial amount of money in, are good candidates for that. Palantir, guys, is sitting at 22.80. They were up 2.1% on the day. I have a $30 price target on this one short term, okay? Meaning if you bought calls for 3 to 6 months out or a little longer, we're saying within that time frame, it's going to go to 23, 27, and $30. I want you guys to have all 3 of those targets in range so that you know what you need to be shooting for. And as they hit them, you check it off or you take profit. As they hit them, you check it off and you take profit, okay? And then at the final one, boom, you get ready to repeat the process all over again. This one, guys, again, I've shared with you guys in previous videos I am going long in this one because I'm looking forward to downward pressure, the 22s, so that I can take this ultimately to 23, 27, and 30. Okay, so I wanted to put this on your radar. So point being, before we get up out of here, if this goes down, if you see low 22s, 21, 20, or 19, I want you to get excited for me. That means you will have an even better price or premium to take this and make even more money as it heads to the upside. You don't have to buy at the higher end of the range. I just want to introduce it to you so that you know what Coach is doing. Okay, now check this one out, guys. We have NVIDIA. Okay, ticker symbol NVDA. This was sitting at 880.49. This one was up almost nearly 2.5%. Now I like this one, and I'm selfishly going to be buying calls in this one too. I'll buy some shares if it comes back to the 700 range, 600 range. But in case it don't, and I still want to be in it, I told you, I believe and know this is going to $1,000. Okay. However, we won't go there tomorrow. So when we go down, guys, I'm looking for 840, 860, anywhere in that range or lower. I'm buying long dated calls on this one too, because it needs time, possibly the next earnings. Okay, sometimes you need a catalyst to help get you there. Okay, the momentum is starting to fade, so stocks want to come down. So I want you to embrace letting the stocks come down, and then I want you to have a game plan for, okay, if NVIDIA is the one I want to rock with, man, I ain't messing with Palantir. I'm gonna get NVIDIA. Well, I want you to put 840 and below as a buy zone. Okay, you can do 860 if you don't go too heavy, but you always want to buy low. Write this down. The name of the game is to buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low. So you want these stocks to go down. You don't want to just buy them because you watched the YouTube video. You just want to buy them just because they're the stock on the screen. You want them to actually get to a certain price, and the prices I call out for you guys are always at key levels, okay? Meaning support levels, moving average, like the 200-day. So again, the risk to reward is always high when you guys are patient enough to follow the instruction, okay? NVIDIA will be one to knock out the park en route to $1,000. I hope to get this in the 800s. Again, like I said, at least 840 start my position. If I see the sevens, if it come down another $100 from here, that will be even better. I'm not fretting. I know it's going up longer term. Okay, if it comes lower, it's just an opportunity for me to get a better price. I want you guys to look at it like that, okay? And then last but not least, this is a sleeper, okay? Now, you guys know this is one of my horses. This is one of my money makers. But this one hasn't been participating like some of the other stocks, okay? NVIDIA, Meta, you guys know the ones that's just been going crazy. This hasn't been one of those ones, okay? On the week, they're down 1.2%. We have puts on this as part of the money team. We absolutely crushing this to the downside, okay? But when you go down so much, look at this. Let me show you this. On the month, on the 3 month, they're down 7%. Year to date, they're down nearly 10%. But look at this line right here. 169, 168, 168. So the risk to reward to the upside is getting high. They're building a base. They're building a bottom. So I'm giving it 167. It might go to 167. Now, if we lose 167, we're going down. But if they build this base here and we're able to hold this 168 level, guys, we can see this shoot back to the upside and recapture the 170s, 180s, and 190s. And that too is a massive play. So long dated calls for this one to take advantage of it may be an option. Okay, now listen, I'll abort any of these things if my thesis is wrong, if some news that's unforeseen come through and it wrecks my play. Boom, I'm gonna take my loss and then I'll change course. Okay, then all of this, instead of to the upside, I'll quickly and gladly pivot. And I told you, I have no problem making money to the downside. Okay, but I'm always glass half full first, and I'm always looking to go to the upside. I'm looking to take it to the house, and if I can't take it to the house, then I get the pick six back the other way. Does that make sense for you guys? If so, let me know down in the comments below. We have a very, very high risk play or low risk, high reward play on our hands with Apple if it can hold this 168, 167 level and then go back up like a rocket from here. Now it could always go the other way, so I want you to know both ends of the spectrum, but I'm always leaning to the upside first until they show me otherwise. Okay, I always come into the game saying I'm letting something come down so I can take it up, but if you go down further, I'm a cut and I'm gonna go down with you. Hope that makes sense, guys. We keep it simple around here, and this is how we dominate the game at such an efficient level. Okay, listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.